Pacsafe reached out to me to see if I would do a review on the Pacsafe Go anti-theft tech crossbody. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a big believer in the Pacsafe company and their products. This is a company that understands the needs and challenges of travelers. So let's have a look at this very sleek little crossbody bag. So the more I travel, the more of a minimalist I become. I realize every single time we return from a trip that I packed way too much stuff, and I hauled it across the sea. I dragged it through multiple airports, train stations, hotels, over those cobblestones and up way too many steep staircases. So over the past years, I've learned to really scale down on what I pack with me. The Pacsafe Go anti-theft tech crossbody looks great on both men and women, keeping your important belongings close to your body for stress-free traveling. So it's designed to be sleek. This crossbody has a built-in wallet and can hide discreetly under a jacket. You can keep your passport, boarding pass, credit cards, and cash in the main compartment, which can be locked using a simple zip clip. Here's a close-up of that. The clip is actually built into the lower part of the strap and just simply clips onto the zipper pull. Let me tell you, this is too much for a grab-and-go pickpocket to deal with. So this will keep your stuff nice and secure. Let's talk about the adjustable strap. It's called the Carry Safe /Guard strap with Dyneema. Dyneema is a fiber that's 15 times stronger than steel, and that's what's running down the center of the strap, making it really difficult to cut that strap and run away with your bag. The next built-in safety feature I want to show you is the secured zip tab that just makes it difficult to sneak into your bag. This bag also has built-in RFID safe blocking pockets and uses RFID blocking material, which can interfere with electromagnetic fields from scanners trying to steal your personal information. Let's have a really good look at this main pocket. It's the full size of the bag and opens up all the way like a book, so you can easily access everything. There's a pocket for a pen and 6 slots for credit cards. Behind that is a long pocket perfect for your glasses. And on the other side are 2 pockets perfect for your passports, your boarding passes. And on the front of the bag is a slightly smaller pocket. This is the one with the zip tab. This is a great pocket for anything you need easy access to, like transit cards or your cell phone. It's a great little bag. So we've been looking at the Pacsafe Go in coastal blue, but currently it also comes in jet black, rose, fresh mint, and garnet red. This amazing little bag holds 0.2 liters. It's 8.5 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 1.2 inches deep. It weighs in at only 5.6 ounces, and that crossbody strap circumference can be adjusted from 9.8 inches all the way to 56.7 inches with a drop height of up to 27.6 inches. This bag is made of recycled polyester. It's PFC-free, water-repellent fabric. If you're impressed with this bag so far, be sure to check out the links I've added below in the description. And if you want to order one, use my code Tinagirl10 to enjoy a 10% discount on the Pacsafe website. So if you're familiar with Pacsafe products, you may have seen the detachable strap on many of their other bags. This bag does not have a detachable strap, but you can still most definitely clip this bag around a chair at a cafe or on a bench or even around the handle of your luggage if it's not on your body. So being able to carry your valuables close to your body and hands-free is a game changer. You have enough to keep track of when you're traveling, and that's often when passports or valuables go missing. Overall, I love this bag, and after reading so many positive reviews online, the one thing I would add to this bag to make it even better is a key clip, which is a feature I always use in my other Pacsafe bags. But it's not a deal breaker. So I'm super happy with this bag. We'll be traveling with it on our next trip to Barcelona, which is a city with a high rate of pickpocket thefts. Thanks so much for watching my review on the Pacsafe Go anti-theft tech crossbody. Be sure to check out those links below. Remember to use my code Tinagirl10 for your discount. Click that thumbs up, the subscribe, and ring that bell for more from Tinagirl Travels. And I'll see you again soon.